Hello dear friends, nowadays we are celebrating many festivals like Navratri, Dasra, after that Diwali. In this festive season, we used to decorate our home. We are going to learn how to make beautiful toran at home with the help of different material. So let's do. For this activity, we want one origami sheet. Any color you can take of your choice. We want 3 paper. First we will use only one paper. Green color paper, size is mentioned 10 cm by 10 cm, and Fevicol, scissor. Okay. First of all, to make flower, we will divide this page into 4 equal parts. For that, we will first fold this below portion to the above portion. This is our first fold. Press this below portion properly, then open the paper, and this right side portion we have to fold till the left side portion. Again you have to open it. On your origami paper there should be a plus sign. Okay, so now this plus sign is dividing this page into 4 equal parts. Now we are going to cut this with the help of scissor. You can cut where you have done the folding. So we got 4 equal squares. Within this one paper we can make 4 flowers. Okay, so first I will teach you how to make flower. Remaining flowers you can do afterward. Hold your small square in diamond shape. Diamond shape is having 4 corners, up and down, left and right. First step is to fold this down corner till the above corner. While doing this step, you are not going to move your paper at all. Always your one finger should be there on the paper. We got triangle shape. Now triangle is having 3 corners, left, right and up. Now this right portion, without moving the paper, we will touch to this left corner. See, I have not changed the position at all. It is looking. Now the third step is this above portion we are going to touch to this left side corner without moving the paper. Okay, this is the last step and very important step. Okay, now keep your paper down, take the pencil in your hand. I am using sketch pen. If I will draw with pencil, it may not visible to you. Now from this above point we are going to draw one C over here. We have to draw C from this above portion. Now how we have drawn the C, in the same way we are going to cut it. You have to draw with pencil itself. And when you will open this, you will get all the petals equal. See, this is the plain flower 2D. Now we are going to convert this flower into 3D shape. How to do that? This flower is having many types of lines: standing line, sleeping line and slant line. What we have to do is, first you have to mark with the pencil exactly at the center of the flower. Here I have marked with the sketch pen, but you have to mark with the pencil. From any line you have to just give cut till the center of the page. See, till the center of the flower. From this side, petal side, you have to just give one cut on any line. You can do it on the standing line also, sleeping line also, slant line also, but only till the center of the flower. And then here first you have to apply glue half of the portion, and the another half portion you are going to paste it here. See, when you will get this point back side, this will look 3D. Okay, now our flower is ready. In this way you have to complete all the remaining flowers also. Now let's learn how to make leaves. To make leaves, first we have to use 10 cm by 10 cm green color paper. You have to keep your paper in diamond position. Again diamond is having 4 corners, so The same process for the first folding. This below portion you have to touch to this above portion. Then press it properly and divide this diamond shape into two equal parts. You have to cut here where you have done the folding. Then you will get two equal triangles. One triangle we will use to make one leaf. So another triangle we will keep it aside. Now see the position of the triangle. The line is below side and the point is the above side. We have to make fan folds with this paper. Always while doing the fan folds you have to keep your paper down and then do it. Fan fold means what? You have to fold this shape into strips. One fold should be from the above side of the paper and another fold should be behind. In this way, till the end of the paper you will complete this fan fold. See, first step I am showing you here. From this below side I have folded. Now I will flip the paper. एक fold आगे से करना है, एक fold पीछे से करना है. In this way you will complete the fan folds. Till the end of the corner you will do all the fan folds. Okay, now see, these both the corners you have to join together. How you will join it? For that purpose first you have to fold it in the middle. Okay, and half of the side you have to apply the glue and remaining half portion you will keep it on that. After that you have to press it properly. Then you will get nice 3D shaped leaves. See, in this way you will complete all the leaves together. Children, I have arranged all the flowers and leaves. Now I will paste those flowers and leaves on the strip. You have to take the measurement of your door size and the height should be minimum 5 cm. You can use old magazine paper, old planner. You can apply golden paper also on that and you can paste those flowers and leaves in the proper way. Children, alternate color I have taken, violet and pink, and I have arranged all those flowers and leaves on the strip with the measurement of your door size. So welcome Goddess Lakshmi in this Navratri festival with your own creative way. So thank you dear children and enjoy Toran making activity.